Today we are going to look at the top 5 vlogging cameras to buy in 2023. All items are linked in the description. Let's get into it. First off, we have the Sony ZV-E10. The Sony ZV-E10 is a compact and versatile mirrorless camera designed specifically for vlogging and content creation. With its interchangeable lens system and high-resolution APS-C sensor, it offers impressive image quality and creative possibilities. The ZV-E10 features advanced autofocus technology, ensuring sharp and clear focus on your subject. It also offers a vari-angle LCD screen, making it easy to frame your shots from different angles. While it excels in video performance, its still photography capabilities may not match those of higher-end cameras. If you're primarily focused on vlogging and content creation, the Sony ZV-E10 is a reliable option that provides great value for money. Coming in at number 2, the Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30 is an entry-level mirrorless camera that combines simplicity and versatility. With its compact and lightweight design, it's perfect for photographers who want a portable camera without compromising image quality. The Z30 features a 20.9-megapixel APS-C sensor and a user-friendly interface, making it a great choice for beginners. It offers decent autofocus performance and a variety of creative modes to experiment with. However, compared to higher-end models, the Z30 may lack some advanced features and customization options. If you're new to photography and looking for an affordable mirrorless camera to start your journey, the Nikon Z30 is a solid option to consider. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. Next on our list is the Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is a compact and feature-packed camera designed specifically for vlogging and content creation. With its 1-inch sensor and advanced autofocus system, it delivers excellent image and video quality. The ZV-1 features a vari-angle LCD screen, making it easy to frame yourself while recording. It also offers a range of vlogging-specific features, such as a built-in ND filter, background defocus, and product showcase mode. However, due to its compact size, it may not be as comfortable to hold for extended periods, especially for users with larger hands. If vlogging is your primary focus and you value convenience and advanced features, the Sony ZV-1 is a solid choice. Next on our list is the Panasonic Lumix GH6. The Panasonic Lumix GH6 is a professional-grade mirrorless camera designed for enthusiasts and professionals who demand high performance and versatility. With its micro Four Thirds sensor and advanced video capabilities, it excels in capturing stunning 4K and even 6K footage. The GH6 offers robust features like in-body image stabilization, dual card slots, and a weather-sealed body, making it suitable for various shooting conditions. However, due to its advanced capabilities, it may have a steeper learning curve for beginners and may require more investment in lenses and accessories. If you're a serious videographer or photographer looking for a powerful and versatile camera, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 is a top-notch choice. And finally, we have the Canon M50 Mark II. The Canon M50 Mark II is a versatile mirrorless camera that strikes a balance between user-friendly features and advanced capabilities. With its 24.1-megapixel APS-C sensor and dual-pixel CMOS autofocus, it offers excellent image quality and fast, accurate focusing. The M50 Mark II features a vari-angle touchscreen, making it easy to compose shots from various angles. It also offers built-in Wi-Fi and YouTube live streaming capabilities, catering to vloggers and content creators. While it delivers solid performance, it may not offer the same level of video features and customization options as higher-end models. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly mirrorless camera with great still photography capabilities, the Canon M50 Mark II is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check back daily for new videos reviewing top products.